Enjoy the tour. Please call me for more info, or if you would like a personal tour, call 941-538-7414. Nice updated gated community. 3 porches allow for views of the lake view. The kitchen features granite counters and custom glass backsplash. Ceramic floors throughout the main living areas and new flooring on the second floor. Master suite has a porch overlooking the lake and has a private full bath with combo shower/tub. Other features include second floor laundry room, newer air conditioner unit, hurricane rated windows and doors, and a 2-car garage with opener. Nice patio areas overlooking the lake view. Freshly painted inside makes this a move-in ready unit. Community is gated with a community pool and lots of sidewalks and green space to go for long walks. This great community is located in the heart of it all, close to restaurants, shops, coffee houses, stores, gyms and other attractions, all within about 1 mile away. $375 monthly condo fee covers water, trash, sewer, cable.